Hi, this is Dr. Daljeet Kaur. I'm a consultant psychiatrist and founder of HealthyMinds. This is an initiative to create mental health awareness, and we do that by organizing various workshops. This time, we're organizing a workshop on procrastination. Well, what is procrastination? Procrastination is a tendency to avoid unpleasant or stressful tasks that are often very important, and we tend to replace them with less important, less stressful tasks. All people procrastinate from time to time. However, procrastination limits a person's productivity. For example, binge watching a Netflix show or talking with friends on the phone instead of actually completing your daily tasks or important tasks is what we find ourselves doing. In order to help individuals who are struggling with this and who want to overcome procrastination, we have organized a workshop on 13th of March. You would be looking at identifying personal barriers causing procrastination. We would be using a variety of networks and approaches. We would be helping you demonstrate time management techniques in your workplace or academic institutions. This is going to be organized by HealthyMinds, and the speakers would be myself, Dr. Daljeet Kaur, and Dr. Soumya, who is a counseling psychologist trained from the US. Do not miss this opportunity. Here is the registration link for you to book for these workshops. See you soon.